Habit. To be honest with yourself, when you hear the word habit, what's the first thing that's popping inside your mind? Well, to most of us, it will be something related to either character or attitude or anything similar. But deep down within it, there are a lot going on within the word habit. In fact, habit is the intersection point between three traits, which is character, skill, and motivation, in which when you lose any one of it, it's not complete to obtain a certain habit that you're looking for. Whenever you're taking a new step in life, you're learning something new, taking up a new career, there are three questions that you can ask yourself to know or validate yourself in it. But generally, it is classified under the three main things that makes up habit. That is knowledge, skill, and motivation. I'm recently reading this book with 7 Habits to Highly Effective People. Very nice book, and I came across something that is talking about habits, which is of course the intersection point of 3 traits: motivation, skill, and character. And I saw that this is very true and relatable, especially to me. I am building a startup from scratch, and I've recently lost motivation, which is whenever I even sit beside or behind my computer, I don't even feel like putting in much work and effort, because the motivation that I have and the vim, the thing that's carried me to start, it seems to be fading off recently, and I don't know. But since I read it, I've discovered why, and I've been asking myself a lot of questions, which is of course recovering me. And I think it is the best if I share it with you guys following me. If you want to learn anything, if you want to continue to do anything, you need to have a skill of learning. You need to get a motivation that is going to push you. You need to have a knowledge about what you're putting yourself into, and that is how to develop a habit to have anything that you want. Habit.